It has been a roller coaster week for Rita Ora, but she's not feeling down. The For You singer beamed as she went for dinner with her boyfriend, film director Taika Waititi, in Los Angeles, dressed to the nines in this black and white leopard print dress and black heels. 2. Rita Ora stepped out in this black and white leopard print dress and black heels in Los AngelesCredit, splash. 2. Rita headed to dinner with her boyfriend, film director Taika WaititiCredit, splash. On Friday, just days after it was revealed that Rita had bagged an acting role in new Disney Plus TV series Beauty and the Beast, news came that the production had been shelved. Those close to Rita said she had been assured her role in the project is secure, along with those of Luke Evans and Josh Gad, but for now the series is on hold. Still, the break means Rita has time to start thinking about some new music. And in my eyes, that is definitely no bad thing.